Hey guys! Today I'm going to remove the freewheel without specific tool. Before you begin, check and find out what type of freewheel you have. If you have a Lockring type freewheel, it's reverse threaded and you have to turn it clockwise to remove. Thread all freewheels contain both the body and the sprockets. They are screwed onto the hub. Take out the axle. Bring out a Quill stem and a handlebar. Insert the 1-inch Quill stem. Make sure it's straight in, and then tighten it. Put on the handlebar and spin it counterclockwise. The freewheel has been successfully removed.